Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling notifications on the Google Chrome app. Open up Chrome and then tap on the menu button at the top right of the screen, and then tap on Settings. On the Settings page, tap on Notifications. There is a master switch here to enable or disable all notifications in Chrome that you can disable if you want. You can also just disable specific websites from showing you notifications from within Chrome. Scroll down to the bottom of the page here, and it shows a list of sites with notifications enabled. Tap on a site and then tap on the Show Notifications option to disable it from being able to show you notifications. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chrome tips and tricks.